Hello friends, welcome. I am Arun Kumar and this is our channel Chemistry Crafters with Banu. In Banu formulations, we have developed formula for detergent powder. Of course, based on the guidelines of Bureau of Indian Standards, Household Laundry Detergent IS 4955-2020. For detergent powder making, already we have posted videos, low cost making video, premium quality making video. In those videos, we have discussed the guidelines. So this is not making video because same guidelines applicable for here also. But here the specification is different. We are following the BIS specification. So in this video, we are going to discuss what is the BIS specification for detergent powder manufacturing. Suppose if we are preparing detergent powder as per the BIS specification, does it be a premium quality detergent powder? As per BIS specification, how Bonu has developed the detergent powder formulas. In India, to manufacture to sell detergent powders, is it compulsory, is it mandatory to get BIS certification? To whom BIS certification is advisable? So all those things we are going to discuss in this video. As per BIS 4955-2020, they have given specification for three different grades: detergent powder grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. Easily we can understand grade 1 means premium quality detergent powder formula, grade 2 means standard quality or medium quality, grade 3 means economy quality. This is the BIS specification IS 4955-2020 for detergent powders. This document is available in BIS official website. After creating the account, we can freely download it, or otherwise I have given the link in description. You can download it. As per this document, individually for grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 detergent powders, they have given the specifications. They have given the minimum amount of active matters, then total phosphates. Phosphates are not good for our environment, so they have given only 2.5% as a maximum limit. But in previous version 4955-2001, up to 11% phosphate we can use, that is a specification. But here only 2.5%. Again, total alkalinity they have given, because we should not supposed to add excess amount of soda ash or any other builders. Then they have given minimum amount of percentage detergency. For grade 1 they have given 65% detergency. This is one parameter for to verify the cleaning performance of the detergent powder. Then total ash buildup, this is also for the purpose of protecting the environment. So these are all the specifications they have given. Just because we are following the BIS standard, it does not mean it is premium quality, it is ultimate quality. BIS standard is some minimum guarantee. It is not for ultimate or premium quality. Let us try to understand. I will tell you an example. Imagine, just take a mobile phone. Its MRP is 10,000 rupees. Suppose if anyone sells it for 11,000 or 12,000, that is wrong, that is cheating. So the MRP, the purpose of MRP is to protecting the customers from cheating. But in Amazon or in other shops, we can get the same phone for even 9,500, 9,000, 8,500. Anything is possible. So that is the genuine price. So MRP means to protect the customers, but that is not the genuine price. Similarly, in case of detergent powder formulations, generally the BIS standard is just to protect the customers from cheating, from false claiming. It does not mean just following the BIS standard we will get premium quality detergent powder. In premium quality detergent powder, apart from BIS specification, some extra additives are required. Then only it will become the premium quality detergent powder. In our Bono formulation, we have done this. Not only in Bono formulation, more or less in all the branded formulations, branded detergent powders, apart from this specification, they will include extra additives. They will exceed the specifications. So the point is, just this specification is not guarantee for premium quality. It is guarantee for minimum quality. But a premium quality product means automatically it will follow the, it has incorporated the BIS standards.
Let us compare Bono formulation with IS 4955 specifications. Of course, for all these three grades. For all these three grades, strictly we have followed the specifications, IS specifications. Apart from that, we have added some more functional materials. Let us discuss. Just we are exceeding the BIS. In grade 1 detergent powder, apart from this specification, we have added many more functional materials, including bleaching system and enzymes. And here our active material is 32%. BIS recommendation is 19%. So we are exceeding the BIS. Its quality will be international standard with many features. In grade 2 formulation also, apart from this specification, we have added some more functional additives. Clearly, more or less in India, most of the branded detergent powders are in this category. So our grade 2 formulation will be comparable with many of the or most of the branded detergent powders in India. In grade 3 also, apart from this specification, we have added few more functional additives. So its quality will be comparable or better than any of the grade 3 branded detergent powders available in India. In our bonus PDF document, PDF formula, apart from following this specification, we have given the compliance justification for the same.
No, in India, to manufacture detergent powder, to sell detergent powders, this certification is not mandatory, not compulsory. It is voluntary, your choice. In business, for product positioning and to strengthen the positioning, this certification is advisable. Let us try to understand. In one supermarket, there are three different detergent powders: brand A, brand B, brand C. All are same price per kg, 100 rupees, 100 rupees, 100 rupees. All are same quality. So that is the positioning. All three different brands have positioned their products. Suppose if anyone is having the BIS certification, then instantly it will get the customer trust. That is the strengthening for their position. So BIS certification is advisable for to strengthen their positioning in their business among the competitors. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in our coming videos.